Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Arunodayam Creations. Let us see practice paper 8 on 1 mark questions from chapter Heredity. First question. Sadhana at the age of 21 donated one kidney to her father. Now she has one kidney only. She gave birth to a female child. How many kidneys are there in Sadhana's daughter? Second, what is the phenotypic ratio of monohybrid cross between heterozygous tall plant, pea plant, with homozygous dwarf pea plant? Third question, observe the following figure and which type of plants are produced in F2 generation. It is a cross between a plant which produces round seeds with a plant which produces wrinkled seeds. So homozygous round seeds, homozygous wrinkled seeds. So in F1 generation we got heterozygous round seeds. So in F2 generation what type of plants we'll get, we have to sort it out. Next, fourth question, who wrote the book Origin of Species? Fifth, what is paleontology? Sixth, which organism is said to be a moving museum of vestigial organs? Seventh question, a newborn baby has XY pair of chromosomes. Will it be a baby boy or baby girl? Eighth question, who proposed the theory of inheritance of acquired characters? Ninth question, fill this table. Charles Darwin, Origin of Species. Sir Charles Lyell, what he wrote, what book he has written, we have to write. 10th question, what is the genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross between homozygous tall pea plant with homozygous dwarf pea plant? 11th, which organism is recognized as connecting link between aves and reptiles? 12th question, complete this flow chart. Charles Darwin, he has conducted his experiments on finch birds, and Augustus Weismann, we have to write on what organism he has conducted his experiments. 13th question, the genotypic ratio of this checkerboard, homozygous round plant with heterozygous round seeds producing plant. So we have to write the genotypic ratio of this cross. 14th question, can you name the structure present here? So you have to write what it is. 15th question, an injured deer in a forest was chased and easily hunted by a tiger. According to Darwinism, what does this represent? So that is our practice paper 8. Try to answer all the questions. Pause this video here. After writing all the answers, then after cross check your answers with me. Okay, now I am going to reveal the answers. First question answer is Sadhana has donated her kidney to her father. She gave birth to a baby girl. Definitely her daughter will have 2 kidneys. Why? Because bodily changes will not pass on to our offsprings. Bodily characters will not be inherited. Already we know that. So she has donated her kidney to her father. That is a body change, not an inheritance. So definitely her daughter will have 2 kidneys. Second, what is the phenotypic ratio of monohybrid cross between heterozygous tall plant? Heterozygous tall means capital T small t. Homozygous dwarf plant small t small t. So we have to cross it now. Capital T small t, small t small t, capital small, small small. So he asked a phenotypic ratio. Here in F1 generation we will get 2 tall plants and 2 dwarf plants. So the genotypic ratio here is 2:2. Okay, next observe the figure and tell me F2 generation plants. So in F1 generation we got a heterozygous round seeds producing plant. On self pollination, capital R small r, on self pollination we will get three round seeds producing plants and 1 wrinkled seeds producing plant. Okay, so we will get both round seeds and wrinkled seeds. We will get 3 round seeds and 1 wrinkled seeds producing plants. Fourth question, who wrote the book Origin of Species? Charles Darwin. What is paleontology? The study of fossils is called paleontology. Which organism is said to be a moving museum? It is human being. A newborn baby will have XY pair of chromosomes. Definitely the baby is a baby boy. Why? Because the chromosome Y imparts male characters. That's why the baby is a boy. Who proposed the theory of inheritance of acquired characters? Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Next, ninth question. Charles Darwin wrote Origin of Species. Charles Lyell wrote Principles of Geology book. 10th question. Genotypic ratio of homozygous tall pea plant with homozygous dwarf pea plant. Homozygous tall with homozygous dwarf. So after crossing we got all the 4 tall plants with a genotype of heterozygous tall allele, capital T and small t. So one dominant allele and one recessive allele is present in all of them. So here 100% heterozygous tall plants are produced. 11th question. Which organism is recognized as connecting link between aves and reptiles? Archaeopteryx. It has both the bird characters and reptile characters. Flowchart. Charles Darwin conducted experiments on finch birds, whereas August Weismann conducted experiments on rat. He cut the tail of rats and he has seen how the characters are passing to next generation. 13th. Genotypic ratio of this checkerboard. Homozygous round seeds with heterozygous round seeds. So here we got all round seeds, but the genotypic ratio is 2 homozygous round and 2 heterozygous round seeds producing plants are produced here. So 2:2. 14th question. Can you name the structure present here? It is a double helical structure, DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid. 15th question. An injured deer in a forest was chased and easily hunted by a tiger. According to Darwinism, what does this represent? This represents a struggle for existence or survival of a fittest. The stronger ones will survive and the weaker ones will get eliminated from the environment. So here the Darwinism which is representing here is a struggle for existence and a survival of a fittest. That is about our practice paper 8. Don't forget to comment your marks in comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.